Transforming teen challenges, pathway to positive growth. Understanding adolescence isn't easy. Hormonal changes, societal pressure, and self-discovery contribute to an emotional roller coaster. The internet, a double-edged sword, can fuel cyber addiction and bullying, causing severe mental stress and self-esteem issues. Problematic behaviors like underage drinking, smoking, and defiant attitudes often emerge as coping mechanisms, leading to unprecedented consequences like teen pregnancy. Amidst these trials, peer pressure and ruthless competition further complicate their journey. An early identification of these issues is imperative. Transferring knowledge constructively can be vital in guiding them. Incorporating open discussions about sexuality, substance abuse, and mental health can be transformative. A culture of respect, trust, and acceptance allows teens to share their struggles without fear of judgment, creating healthier relationships and better communication. Turning teen challenges into opportunities for growth is our collective responsibility. Let's empower our teens to flourish into well-rounded adults.